dad taught me about electricity and electric circuit, which is out of syllabus, and now I'm going to experiment.
देखो ये आइशनी आज बना रही है इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट.
और ये एक छोटू सा बल्ब है, पता नहीं कितने वोल्ट का है, 1.5 का होगा. ये बहुत डेलिकेट होता है, इसलिए इसमें ये फिलामेंट कभी भी टूट सकता है. ये इसका कुछ भरोसा नहीं है लिटरली. और इसके लिए हमें चाहिए होंगे 3 वायर्स, 1 2 और 3, और 1 या 2 बैटरी के बैटरी होल्डर. यहाँ पर बैटरी है, ये है लाइट बल्ब,
ओके.
और ये है स्विच जो है यहाँ पर.
ओके, स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग आइशनी.
Last but not the least, the battery. There
That's
we
it.
go.
That's it.
Yes.
The other portion.
Good. I just push it a bit here.
So now we can show the whole circuit. Okay. Bulb.
Yeah.
What is this?
This is the switch.
Okay.
On and off. And this is going to be the battery. There we go. Now, so there's
Switch on.
3,
Yeah.
2, 1. Let's go!
First electrical
And
circuit
I don't
made
think
by.
we should touch the bulb while it's like on.
No, you can. It's only 1.5 volts.
Wow.
So first electric
So
bulb made.
good.
First electric circuit made by Aishani.
Let's go! Now I can just switch it on and off like this.
So now just change the bulb to a fan. Okay.
To a fan, okay. So now I'm gonna remove this light bulb and we're gonna use a fan. There we go. This is the fan and the motor. Just like this.
I think this may need 3 volts, but
Let's
start
try.
try. No, it will
Yes.
not work. It will
Yeah, I think it needs that.
one more battery.
Something like here. Now let's try it.
Yay! Hey, so Aishani, whenever light goes, you can use this.
Really?
Now we are going to test series and parallel circuits. Okay.
How do we?
And you have connected to bulb, and another end is connected again to
Motor.
motor. No, fan.
Yeah.
A fan's motor. Okay. Connected two batteries
Yeah.
in series. We have connected one bulb and fan also in series.
Okay.
Aishani, connect the wire.
See this? We got another kind of switch here.
Okay. Fan is not working. Fan is working. Yeah.
Fan is working. And
As
the
well
light
as
bulb is-
light is working. Yay! Series connection. Now let's try parallel.
Look at this.
This is buzzer.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.